Hi guys, this is Dell product. So I have purchased the Dell monitor which is model U2415. U stands for ultra sharp and 241515 stands for 2015 model. 24 stands for 24 inch. So you can see that. Bring the camera here. It is made in China and Modi ji has told us not to buy China products, but yet we are buying. So come over. Here we are gonna now unbox it. So I think that is a kind of some open product, so we don't have original seal over here. We are just cutting down the tapes. कितना मुश्किल है. Now we have unboxed it. So here are instructions how to unbox it. So first we have to remove the whole the dabba thing, and then okay, nice. This is the whole package, guys. There is nothing left inside. So this is the main screen. Yeah, so it's open like this. You can see that it's somewhat heavy, around so let's go. It's around 1920 into 12,000 pixel inch larger. It's anti-glare screen, nice. So let's see what's inside it. So as you can see that there are several ports here: power port, HDMI port, another HDMI port, display port, and 3 USB 3.0 ports over here. And also there's somewhat more USB ports like this one here. And there one must be on sideways, but there is no side port here. So we would keep this aside for a minute and let's inspect what's inside it. How to open this damn thing, man. Yeah. That's some collateral damage. So here is the power cord cable. Here is display port, and here is some another port. I don't know what's that used for. Here is the, I don't know what's that. Oh. Here is the big stand door. निकल जा यार. I hate these things. Oh, it's very big, so I can stand LED over here easily. It is movable and it is for parts. So that's it, guys. Thanks a lot.